Morning students, this is 12th zoology second video of this day. In first video we have discussed IA, IB. They produce transferase. What type of enzymes they produce, we have seen that one. In that one IB alleles encode for the enzymes of galactose transferase, and that add galactose to precursors of that H substance. Here you may not understand this one, just listen here. IB, that's I means isoagglutinations antigen. B, they produce one enzyme called as a galactose transferase. This galactose transferase, they produce again galactose only, but in which position do they produce? They produce in H substance produce. In the H substance position only they produce. That is the one IB. And next one IO. Here can you all see IO? I means, as I told you, isoagglutinations. O, IO, alleles, no terminal transferase enzymes is produced. No terminal transferase enzymes is produced. Okay, that is why it is called as a null alleles. Why it is called as a null alleles means there is no transferase enzymes have been produced. Because of that only they call as a null alleles. Okay, and since the phenotype of IA, IB, if you see here, genotype, okay, and genotype IA, IB are dominant to IO, Okay, what is dominant here? Antigen A, isoagglutinations B are dominant when it is compared to the IO. That is why there is a but co-dominant to each other. Which one? IA, IB are the dominant. That is why it is said to be co-dominant to each other. Okay, the dominancy hierarchy can be given. IA is equal to IA greater than IO. Here the child receives one of 3 alleles from each parent, giving rise to 6 possible genotype and 4 possible blood type of phenotypes. And genotypes are IA, IO, IB, IO, IB. These are the 6 genotype. Can you all see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 genotype. IA, IO, IB, IO, IO. So these are the 6 genotype of alleles blood group. And here there are 4 types of blood groups. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O type. These are the 4 possible blood types. Okay, and next one I'll show you one animal. You know what is this? Yes, this is, as you all know, monkey. This is rhesus monkey, rhesus macaco, we can say. Why I am showing this animal? What are the use of it? What do we learn from this animal? Have you heard of RH factors? RH factors or RH antigen is found on the surface of erythrocytes. Okay, this RH factors are discovered by Karl Landsteiner or Alexander Wiener, 1940. Well, in which animal they found means in this rhesus monkey animals only they found. That is macaco rhesus. And the latter in human being they also found. The term RH factor refers to immunogenic D antigen. The term RH factor refers to immunogenic D antigens of RH blood group system. An individual having antigen, an individual having D antigen, they are said to be RH D positive. That is RH positive we say. The person, one who does not have D antigen, they are called as a RhD negative. That is Rh negative. The rhesus factors in the blood is inherited as a dominant trait. Naturally occurring anti-D antibodies are options in the plasma of any normal individuals. However, if Rh negative person exposed to Rh positive blood cells for the first time, the anti-D bodies formed in the blood of that individuals. On the other hand, when Rh positive person, Rh negative blood is no effect is seen. What they say here, the Rh positive or negative are based on due to presence of anti-D. If in his blood anti-D present means he is said to be Rh positive. Okay. If anti-D is absent in his blood means that is we call as Rh negative. Rh negative. So that is the concept of Rh factors or rhesus factors. The next one, genetic control of Rh factor. Genetic control of Rh factor. Here, this is what genetic control of Rh factors. Fisher, what is the scientist called as a Fisher and Ray's hypothesis. We are going to see Fisher and Ray's hypothesis. Okay, here the Fisher's, he says all genotype carrying a dominant D alleles, all genotype carrying a dominant D alleles will produce Rh positive phenotypes, and double recessive genotype D small d will give rise to Rh negative phenotype. Here if you see Fisher as well as the Ray's hypothesis, what they say here, dominant and recessive characters. Okay, Rh factors involve three different pairs of alleles located on the three different closely related linked local on the chromosomes pairs. This system is commonly used today and uses CDE nomenclature. As you have seen here. So this is C, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, okay, small e, capital E, small e. Here this is the one pair, three pairs of alleles present. Here three pairs of alleles, here three pairs of alleles will be present. Whenever the capital D comes, we say it is called as a dominant one. It is called as a dominant one. It is said to be positive. Whenever the small letters D comes, it is said to be as a negative one. It is a recessive one. It is said to be as a recessive one. That's what they say here. So here they can say the three pairs of alleles. Here you can, instead of that one, you can go through this one. Here the CDE, small CDE, symbol RR, which means recessive, that's a negative one. Here CDE, capital C, capital D, small e, small c, small d, small e. Here D comes. D means capital R. So if a capital D comes means capital R. If small d comes means small r. Capital R comes means it is said to be positive. Small r comes means it's said to be negative one. Here also DD comes R1. D capital D means capital R. Small d means small r. Here since CDE comes, a capital R comes, here positive. Here also one capital D comes, so capital R, it is said to be positive one. Here capital D. Among these three, capital D, if it is there, capital letter D is there, means that is we can say capital R. That is we say as a positive, dominant. If it is small d is there, means we can say first one, small d. Small d denotes R. He is giving explanation CDE with help of R. Capital R means that is said to be a positive. Small r means that is said to be a negative. How can we decide capital or small r? If capital D is there in the gene CDE, in that, here first one if you see, all are small, D also small. So mainly we have to see D only, small letters D. both D are small letters. The letters is to come here symbol small r, small r. If small r comes, means it is said to be negative one. Here, next one, first capital C, capital D and small d. Next one, small d, small c, small d, small e. Here first C, D, E, in that one capital D are there, since capital D are there, then R comes, capital R comes. The next one small d are there, so small r comes. Even the small r mix, it is said to be a dominant one, and we can say it is a positive one. You can say it is a positive one. In this only this they showing here. The next one, Wiener hypothesis. When Wiener proposed an existence of 8 alleles, R1, R2, RO, RZ, and all capital, and small one R1, small r1, small r11, small ry. This is a single of RH locus. Here just I said both are just combined together here. Okay, if CDE, small d is the mean, that is small r. If capital D is the means, that is capital R. Small r is the mean, that is said to be negative. Capital R is the means, that is said to be positive one. Just go through this Fisher-Ray's hypothesis and Wiener hypothesis. This is the Wiener, same thing only, Wiener hypothesis. Okay, you can go through. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, your questions, today's your questions is here. You have to learn this, what is multiple alleles, and explain how multiple alleles inheritance of ABA blood groups. Comment on how Reese's monkey helpful in RH factor. Just learn all these 3 questions. First one 2 marks, remaining 2 are 5 marks. Just learn this one. Go through once again that genetic control of RH factors, Fisher and Ray's hypothesis and Wiener hypothesis also. Both only just I shown here as a single tabular column. Single tabular column just shown. That Venus, Fisher as well as Ray's hypothesis as well as Wiener hypothesis, both joined together as I shown in one single tabular column. One single tabular column. This both. Okay, you can go through. In book they given separate. Here I just given you as a single one. Okay, just will wind up the class.